Welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. Here in front of me Redmi 12, and I'm gonna show you how to add numbers row to the keyboard on this Redmi 12 device. First, you need to open the keyboard, check how your keyboard works. As you can see here, I have now the number row. So we need to scroll down, find additional settings here in settings, then language and input. Scroll down, then choose manage keyboards, Google keyboard, click on it. Then we need to scroll down, choose preferences and enable number row. Go back. And now, as you can see, I have the number row under my keys, my letter rows. Thanks for watching, like this video and bye. See you.